What a performer. What a performance.
Want to try it again?
Yeah.
Do you want to try it again?
You are a natural born ham.
Here we go. Hi, Pumpkin. Hi.
Right.
1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. Kitty cat, you left my toes. Howie.
You got you going, honey.
That kitty cat got my toes. That kitty cat got my toes. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3. That was the laughing about. How is that?
That was pretty good. We liked that one. Yes, we did. We liked that one. Took a little side trip to watch the kitties.
Yeah. They were attacking my foot. Fingers.
She's like, I'm going after him.
Look. There's Grandpa.
Feel any sharp teeth in there yet?
I can't feel any. We thought she was teasing last weekend though.
Yeah.
Because she just started crying all of a sudden and she's just like gnawing on Carlos's knuckle. But I can't feel anything. So, like, I don't know.
Okay. Okay. Ooh, listen to all the babies talking.
Is that you? You want to go up one more time? 1, 2, 3.
Mom's gonna have her own baby movie.
Yeah. Hi.
Yeah. Her own baby movie. Okay. Yeah, that's good.
That's the end.